Artificial intelligence is changing our world faster than most people realize. But there are facts about AI that most people have never heard, facts so shocking, so mind-blowing, that they will completely change how you see the future. Today I'm counting down 10 of the most incredible AI facts that will leave you speechless. Stay until fact number 1, because that one will genuinely shock you. Before we start, if you love facts and want to stay ahead of the world, subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. Fact number 10. AI can now detect cancer more accurately than doctors. Researchers at Google developed an AI that identifies breast cancer in scans with 11% fewer false positives and 5% fewer false negatives than human doctors. AI is literally saving lives right now. Fact number 9. An AI wrote a novel that made it to the final round of a national literary prize. In Japan, an AI company wrote a novel called The Day a Computer Writes a Novel, and it passed the first round of judging without the judges knowing it was written by a machine. Fact number 8. AI can predict your personality just by looking at your eyes. Scientists discovered that an AI model can analyze eye movements to accurately predict personality traits like curiosity, optimism, and conscientiousness. Your eyes reveal more than you think. Fact number 7. There is an AI that can read your thoughts and turn them into text. Researchers at the University of Texas built a brain decoder AI that translates brain activity into words, without any surgery. Just by scanning your brain, it can reconstruct sentences you were thinking about. Fact number 6. AI has already invented its own secret language that humans cannot understand. During a Facebook AI experiment, 2 AI chatbots developed their own shorthand language to communicate faster. The experiment was shut down when researchers realized they could no longer understand what the AIs were saying to each other. Fact number 5. An AI defeated the world's best players at a game considered too complex for machines, 20 years ahead of schedule. DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated the world champion at the board game Go in 2016. Experts had predicted this would not happen until at least 2036. AI surprised everyone by being 20 years ahead of predictions. Fact number 4. AI can clone your voice with just 3 seconds of audio. Modern AI voice cloning tools can replicate any person's voice, including yours, with as little as 3 seconds of recorded audio. This is why voice-based security systems are being completely rethought. Fact number 3. The AI industry is expected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That is more than the current combined economic output of China and India. AI is not the future, it is already the biggest economic event in human history. Fact number 2. AI can now generate a full realistic human face that belongs to nobody. Every single face on the website "This person does not exist" is completely AI generated. None of those people are real. AI is now indistinguishable from reality. And fact number 1, the most shocking of all. AI is predicted to reach human-level intelligence, what scientists call AGI, within the next 5 to 10 years. Some of the world's top scientists, including people at OpenAI and Google DeepMind, believe we are closer to this moment than most people realize. When AGI arrives, it will be the single most transformative event in human history. We are living through the most extraordinary technological moment in history. And now you know 10 facts that prove it. If this video shocked you even a little, hit that like button. It helps more people discover these facts. Subscribe for weekly videos on AI, money, and self-improvement. Which fact shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.